also known as the Crazy Grain Lady. And today I want to take you on a quick February tour of my home foodscape so I can show you the beauty of winter active grains such as barley, oats, and wheat. That's my goal as a horticulture professional, to inspire you to grow something a little bit outside of the box and make your landscape both beautiful and bountiful. Over the weekend, I had the pleasure of visiting Kansas for the first time. I think I may have even successfully convinced some of those amazing gardeners that grains incorporated in their landscape is a really cool idea, despite them living in the middle of the breadbasket of the United States. So stay tuned for my home foodscape tour, a quick update in early February. We're going to start today's tour on the west side of my back patio. Here I've planted barley directly in the ground and barley in a container. You can see the barley in the container grows even faster because the container warms up. I think it's an ideal winter interest center for this container plant. Now, the barley in the ground is doing a couple different functions. Not only has it looked fresh and spring-like all winter, as this blooms, it's going to provide delicious food for my local birds, and the deep root system is helping improve this root knot nematode-filled bed. Along with the daikon radish that's planted in front, I'm hopeful that when I mow this space back down in late spring, I'm going to be able to successfully grow tomatoes here once again. I make sure to plant grains in a couple different ways. Here on the south side of my foundation landscape, I've planted some wheat in clumps so that this will look like an ornamental grass when they bloom in the spring. For me, grains are something that deserve a primary spot. So here in my front yard, I have a big bed of barley, and behind me, a whole wave of beautiful turkey red hard winter wheat. I've inspired you to sow your wild oats. Even if you just grow grains in some containers for winter interest, I promise you won't be disappointed. For all the details that you need, get a copy of my new book, Gardening with Grains. You can order it signed and personalized from my website, freegrows.com.